Hi everyone, Miss Jessica here, back with another Maker Workshop Thursday craft tutorial. This time we are making our glow jars. So hopefully you were able to pick up a glow jar kit from the library. If you weren't, these come together really quickly. This is going to be a very quick tutorial. These are pretty fun and pretty self-explanatory. But all you need is a jar and some glow-in-the-dark paint. If you can see those little paint pots in there. And that is actually already all that your kit comes with as well. So we have our ball jar, our glass jar, and then we dump these out. We have four little paint pots full of glow-in-the-dark paint. And really the only other item that you're gonna need to make these jars is a paintbrush. Something really basic. You could use even a Q-tip or a toothpick, I guess, or a skewer, something that you can use to reach into your jar and put the dots of glow-in-the-dark paint on the inside of your jar. And really that's all there is to it this time around. So these are really fun, just kind of really quick crafts that come together really fast. So basically all you're gonna do is take your jar and your paintbrush and a little dip of paint, and then just go around and make little dots wherever you feel like making little dots. And then you're going to repeat that all around the inside of the jar with as many colors as you like. You could even paint some designs if you want. You could paint your initials. You can get really fancy with it, but you're just gonna coat the inside of the jar with a bunch of little dots of paint. So I will be right back and I will show you my finished product when it's all done. So I've got my blue dots all painted and they're starting to run down the sides a little bit, but I used a little too much paint. Just be mindful of that while you continue. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some different colors now. So I'm gonna do green and yellow and white. And I'll be back with you in a moment. And there I have my green all done. It looks so great already. I can't wait to see this all lit up and glowing, and it's gonna be fantastic. So I'm gonna go and put some yellow dots in now. I don't think I'm gonna use the white, and that's my choice. It's also your choice. You can use whatever color you want. I gave you an option of 4. If you have your own glow-in-the-dark paint, you can also use that. But so far, so good. I can't wait to see this all lit up and glowing. Ta-da! I am calling that done. It looks so good. I think that's really going to be very fun. Let's go see if I can charge this under a light, and then maybe I'll take you with me and we can try and see if it glows. Are you ready? Okay, my jar is all charged up. We're gonna go walk with it to the closet and see if it glows. I'm excited. I hope you are too. We're entering the closet and ready? It glows! Look at that. That's so cool. Hopefully that shows up on camera. I'm not sure if it will. But thank you so much for joining me. That was so much fun. It was such a quick little craft. Super easy. Comes together in like 5 minutes and you have a really fun little storage jar. Or maybe you can put some like tea lights or something on the inside and make yourself a little like night light, or you can give it as a gift to somebody. Whatever you want to do with your jar is entirely up to you. I would leave the lid off for probably 24 hours while the paint dries, and then you can go ahead and put your lid on afterwards and seal it all up nice and tight. But isn't that so cool? I had so much fun. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day and a fantastic rest of your week. I'll see you all next time. Bye.